Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video property tour. If you guys are just tuning into the channel for the first time, my name is Chakits Krulsawat, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today we are here in the city of Las Vegas in the master plan community of Summerlin. This is the Belmonte Phase 1. So this home that we are going to be touring today was actually built in 2017 by Woodside Homes. Now with Woodside Homes, this is actually my favorite model. There's a lot of bells and whistles in the options that you had when they built this custom home here. This home right here is a 3,620 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and also a loft. It does have a balcony, 3-car garage with a pool. The asking price on this home is $1,319,000. Now, if you guys are interested in this home, I will have a link in the description below. Also, I want to give a quick shout out to the listing agent to allowing me to do this property tour, Laura Valette with Realty One Group. That's right. Let's get right into it. Let's see exactly what is going on with this home. So this home is actually facing east. East is going to be down this way. So your sun exposure is going to be on the back side of the home. As you can see, it's a 3-car garage. Okay. We have some paver stones here. Looks like these are terracotta. Here's the side of the house. Okay, property does come with a pool too as well. Beautiful stack stone up in the front here. Okay, now this is going to be more of an open style type of loft. Now you're going to see exactly why this is one of the favorite models. Now I did a full video tour here, not here, but one of these models over here at Southern Highlands at the Coles. And I mean, we almost have 1 million views on it because of this style of the home. So a couple things that I do want to show you here. As we come in, I'm just going to take you straight back here. As a courtesy, I'm just going to take off my shoes just to make it easier. I'm going to walk straight back. Now take a look at this open floor plan. Look how gorgeous this thing is. It's very inviting. And look at this. Tell me this is not gorgeous, okay? Now we're going to start back over here in the front. A couple things that you could have done right here was have a casita right here. All this right here could have been reconverted. You would have had a door here. Bathroom would have been configured. Then you would have your little casita. Door entry, you would have had an option to do a door entry on this side here. Now again, if you guys want more information about this property, I will have a link in the description below. Nice and plush carpets, feels really good. You have high ceilings, 10-foot ceilings here. You just have a center light, 6-panel door, orange peel texture. Looks like they did the 1-in-1, which is the coax, and also the Cat 6. 6 inches on the baseboards, 2-tone paint, and it looks like we have some chrome fixtures. So as you can see, this one actually had its own thermostat here. Like I said, you did have the option for that casita. Okay, off to the left you have the full bath. You got the nice 36 vanity with the granite under-mounted sink and the Moen fixtures. Here we have a pretty deep tub, and it's cladded with Corian countertops. Actually, this is a hard surface countertops, which is the quartz. I'm sorry. Now it looks like they cladded the walls here with some 12x24. The porcelain tile. Now, as you can see, we have some beautiful chandeliers right above us. Now, this home has so much options and features that you could have done to this home. Wait till you guys see the pantry too as well. So we have storage underneath the staircase. I believe on this one you could have did a floating staircase on here, but if you did the floating staircase, you would have definitely minused out the closet, which is not a bad idea. I kind of like that closet. Okay, here's gonna be your formal dining. Okay, so in your formal dining here, you do have the 4-can lighting too as well, and believe it or not, we have a little butler's pantry. That's right. Okay, now I'm gonna take you guys back over here. Now we have tile flooring. You have that wood-like, which is really nice. And the kitchen here, there were so many configurations that you could have did with the kitchen here. So as you can see, they had cladded the island here, and then you have the beautiful granite GE appliances. Again, if you want more additional detail, I have a link in the description below. You got that Blanca sink too as well. The Moen faucet. You have the white cabinets too as well. These are not full overlay cabinets here. You got the pot drawers. They definitely did the upgrade on the cook countertop here. On this one, they did the MDF side staples, okay? Not side staples, but the staple cabinets. LED lights underneath with a beautiful backsplash. You have your GE double stack, which is really nice, microwave. And take a look here, we have our little nook area for a kitchen table. One of the options on the upgrades here, you could have did a 6-foot slider, so that's what they did here. That was definitely an upgrade. So you had the 6-can lighting and also the 3 pendant. That was an upgrade, so good job on the upgrades and the options. Also with the built-in refrigerator, the Monogram. Now coming over here, this would have been your butler's pantry right here, or your prep station. Then look at this pantry. It's a very decent sized pantry. The home is really well organized and well designed, okay? Now, for all the people that are looking for a bedroom downstairs, I got you. That's right. So they do have this iron steel door here, which I probably would get rid of. It's not my style, but matches the stairs, so I understand. However, this is the primary coming down this hallway here. This is going to take us into the garage. You got the IQ pad right here, alarm system coming into the garage. Now this is a nice truck actually. Oh, gorgeous. You got a trike. Wow, I wonder how much does something like this cost. Let me know in the comments below. The garage is very clean. Epoxy. They did a really good job, and I love these right here. Now let's go back inside. I'm gonna have to ask if they would like to sell. So your laundry room is downstairs, which makes sense because the primary is downstairs. This is a gas dryer. Now let's go take a look at the primary. So as we come in here, primary, we have the bedroom down this side. Carpets are nice and plush, feels good. I love this big window. You had an option to do the tray ceilings with the 4-can lighting. And they have a nice propeller fan. Also, one of the options that they did here was a door here, which is really nice. And as you can see, all the TVs and all that stuff is going to go over here. You do have your coax and all that. Again, great job on that. 6-panel door, 2-tone paint. Coming into the bathroom. The bathroom didn't really do that much of an upgrade. You did have an option on this one to do a full spa shower, this whole thing. That's probably something that I would have did during the time of the build. Doesn't mean that this owner had that option. They probably just bought this the way it was. Here's your shower. Now, this video is going to be a little bit fast, and the reason why is because we just don't have that much time, and the time that we have is because of the batteries. That's right. We don't want the batteries to die out, right? Let's go into the walk-in closet here, which is a huge walk-in closet. Upgraded mirror on the door here. Then we have our water closet. Now I'm going to take you guys out to the back. Now, a couple options here. You had the covered patio, right? Then with the covered patio, you had the option to do the balcony. So we have some nice stamped stone concrete here, which is really nice. Love the archways here. I mean, take a look at that. It's gorgeous, huh? You're bringing the outside in, and believe it or not, we have the backyard is completely done. Now, with this retaining wall, believe it or not, you lose probably by a good 15 feet. That's why what they did was this, did the nice stonework here. You have the stairs leading all the way up. Okay. All the way up to here. Now you do have this waterfall that comes down as well. And you have the Pebble Tech with the beachfront access. Okay. Now this is all fake rock that I'm walking on right now, but there's no diving. We have the cooling deck has been painted, which is really nice. Here's the side yard. Air conditions are fairly new. This is a addition, covered patio. These are the aluminums. You can get away with this for about $2,500. Now, let's head on upstairs. Let's see what we have upstairs. But before I do that, let me just grab this piece of paper, which is my cheat sheet that kind of tells you a little bit about the property as I'm walking around. This banister right here, you had the option to do an upgrade, which whoever bought the original, or the original owner, did the upgrades on here. If not, would have been a pony wall. Now, you could have had this game room here sealed up as a bedroom. That was one of the options. And you could have had a window looking down, but I kind of like it the way it is. So let's go take a look here. What do we have? Huge covered patio, or balcony that's covered. Not bad, right? Now, I probably would have not have done this. I guess you could, as far as utilizing this as a extra room. Probably what I would have done was had this like an extra room and seal all this up. Put a gym outside or something. Cover it up so that way people can't see into your house. Linen closet. Come into the bathroom here. Double sink, all standard. Tub shower combo. I don't even know what bedroom this is, but this is a large bedroom. Now they wired the home the right way, which is, they did a really good job, so you gotta appreciate that. Oh, look at that. You also have the transfer duct too as well. I mean, take a look at this view. Now, one of the options that you could have done with this fireplace here, and I think this is a 48-inch fireplace, you could have taken this all the way up, but they would have charged you more money. However, I definitely would have did that linear fireplace and cladded it myself. Now here, with the model, typically what they did with this was had this into like a theater room, a game room. A lot of people ended up doing that here. And that's where you would put your TV. You have your surround sounds. It looks like it's already pre-wired 7.0 on here, which is really nice. Now coming into the last bedroom here, this is actually a suite for your guest, or if you had a kid. Excuse me, I just coughed right into the mic. Now I don't want to get you guys sick, I apologize. Again, 12 by 24 tile, pretty much all the same style throughout the house. Now guys, if you guys are interested in this property, I will have a link in the description below. Well, if you guys are interested in this property, the earnest money deposit is $20,000. That's right, $20,000. HOAs here are $74 a month, plus the master. It says it's $55, unless Summerlin went up. It should have been $48, but it says a total $129. Guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this property, if you guys can see yourselves living here. Also, if you guys have a property, you're an agent, and would like to do a collaboration or to have your property on this channel for more exposure, please let us know. We definitely would be happy to do a full video tour. More eyeballs on your property, the better it is. Other than that, I appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'm Chakits Krulsawat, and be blessed, folks.
Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.